Hey everybody. In this video, I wanted to talk about how you can make money as a software developer or as a university student who's enrolled in any computer science degree. But you don't need to be a software developer alone. Anything related to computers, let's say making a logo or design or composing music, anything in general. So there's this website called Fiverr, and over here you can post gigs and people can hire you for work. So let me go to my gigs over here. And this is how I first started making money. So I set up a few gigs. I said I'll teach Unreal Engine, I'll teach Unity, etc. Now, the only problem is that it takes quite a bit for you to start getting an order. But once you get your first order, you will keep getting orders after that, and I promise you. So if I go to my earnings over here, I've made about $220 out of this. Now let me go to all months and everything. And I think my first gig was around, let's just load all of it. My first gig was around Jan 1st. So I actually got my first gig in December, but Fiverr takes 2 weeks to clear the revenue and it does take a cut. For example, this order was for about $8 and they took a small cut, so it was $6.40. And you can see that my revenue kept increasing after that. Once you get the first order, you end up getting orders after that. And I've gotten about 15 orders until date, and they've all been 5-star reviews. So if I go to my dashboard over here, I have a 5-star review, and I've had a pretty low order completion rate for now, only because I've had my exams and I was very busy. But you can essentially message a lot of people and you get a lot of offers through this. So I'm posting a link down below. Join Fiverr and try to post any gig you have. Try to identify what talent you have and what you can provide as services. And this is essentially teaching you how to sell yourself. For example, I'll show you one. The I just posted this gig, so it shows how to set up Azure and AI with ML. And I recorded a video and I made some interesting thumbnails, and I also posted my certificate over here and all certificates that I've had. So I have a certificate from Google, TryHackMe, Cisco, etc. And make sure your description is small, but it also summarizes all services that you provide. And recording a video will increase the chances of you getting recruited. So try it out. You'll meet some amazing people. I'm posting a link down below. Use that, and both of us will get a referral deal. But it's a very short video. I just want to show you how you could eventually make money on Fiverr. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully you enjoyed this video.